Hello students, I am Sharat Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. We know that the business environment can be broadly categorized into internal and external environment. So in the previous session, we have discussed the elements of internal environment. Now, we will be discussing what is micro environment and what are the elements of micro environment in this session. Micro business environment refers to the factors that have a direct influence on a company's overall performance. So it refers to the study of a small area or an immediate periphery of the business organization. The factors which are included in the micro environment are specific and they are particular to each firms. So these factors are not universally applicable to all the firms because different industries are influenced by the micro factors in different ways. So, thus, an organization might take into consideration the micro factors which are related to a specific business activity only. So, they are not universally applicable to all the firms. And the micro environment directly and regularly influences the business organization. So this is what micro environment is all about. Now let us see the components of micro environment. Micro environment includes certain players or certain elements. They are the customers, workers and their unions, suppliers of inputs, marketing intermediaries, competitors and public. Now let us try to understand these components, elements or important players one by one in this video. The first element of micro environment is the customers. Customers are the vital elements of the business environment. The primary motive of a business is to gain the attention of customers in order to retain them, which will help the organization acquire profitability and long-term survival. Therefore, the business enterprises must carefully identify and analyze the needs and wants of their customers and fulfill them in effective manner in order to gain loyal customers. The interest of the customers cannot be neglected by any business as this might cause adverse effects on the business. So, business organizations must make changes in their products and services as per the changing tastes and preference of customers. Hence, customers prove to be the central focus of the business environment. So, this is one of the important players. Customers are the one of the important players in the micro business environment. The second element or second important player in the micro business environment are suppliers. The business strategy gets influenced by the actions of suppliers as they provide the raw material for the process of production. For example, the production time and the sales will be affected due to delayed production process if the services of the suppliers are not timely and reasonable. So these are the suppliers are also the important elements in the micro environment of the organization. The next important element of micro environment is workers and union. The success of an organization depends on the cordial relationship between the workers and the cordial relationship between the workers and the management, and also the relationship between the workers union and the management. If the company achieves cordial relationship between these groups, that will result in industrial peace and smooth functioning of the business. If the relations between these groups gets disturbed, it will result in strikes, lockouts, or go slow attitude, etc. Now let us see the next component of microenvironment, that is competitors. Competitors of a firm or company can have a direct influence on the strategies of the business. The organizations must possess the knowledge of performing a competitive analysis and gain advantage over its competitors thereafter. Hence, the USP or the unique selling point of the competitors as well as the value added services offered by them must be known by the organization. We must have clear idea about USP and the value added services offered by our competitors. The organization should also try to know how to differentiate itself from its competitors in order to have the competitive advantage. The focus of the company should be to offer value and something which competitors do not offer. So, competitors are also one of the important players in the micro business environment of a company. The next element in the micro business environment is the marketing intermediaries. They play an essential role of selling and distributing its products to the final consumers. These intermediaries or the marketing intermediaries act as an important link between a business firm and its ultimate consumers. They help to reach a company's product to their ultimate consumers or the customers. Retailers and wholesalers, they buy in bulk and sell business products and services to the ultimate consumers. So the company must also have a cordial relationship between with the marketing intermediaries. The next important element in the micro business environment is the public. Companies must pay attention to a very vital component of micro environment, that is the general public, for its long term survival. However, all customers of a particular region would not purchase the company's product, but the existence of the company in that region will be dependent on how the people perceive the product, the company's image or brand. For example, free samples or the products offered by the companies, and they also organize press releases, media and seminars, and so on. Organizations also engage themselves in community development, environment and public service programs by developing sanitization units, etc. This helps the organization acquire goodwill and gain the trust and faith in their customers as well as the general public, including social groups, consumer protection activists, media, environmentalists, etc.